Hari Om. This is an English translation of an online satsang with our Guru, Paramhans Swami Sri Nispraspandanji. A disciple once asked a question, Swamiji, why does a Guru allow some disciples to visit other saints in hermitages, seek their blessings and attend their satsang, while some other disciples are advised not to do so? Swamiji explains that the reason behind these seemingly contradictory instructions is not any form of bias or discrimination by the Guru, but simply the disciple's own state of spiritual evolution. To understand this, we must turn inward and reflect on our own maturity on the spiritual path. He goes on to say that there are broadly two kinds of disciples. The one he calls the Pakka Sadhak, which means a seasoned or experienced meditator. And the other category is that of the Kacha Sadhak, which means a novice or beginner. Swamiji observes that a novice sadhak is often easily influenced. His mind tends to waver under the pull of different opinions, teachings, rituals, and spiritual techniques. He tends to get distracted by too many inputs and conflicting instructions. Swamiji humorously shares that such Kacha sadhaks often come to him asking, Swamiji, what special sadhana should I do on the occasion of Navratri, Shivratri, Dipavali or Ekadashi? Swamiji says that these questions reflect an immature commitment to practice. Their faith in the path that they have been initiated into hasn't yet deepened, and they begin to doubt whether their practice is potent enough to lead them to enlightenment or God realization. He explains that a guru's aim is always to ease and support the disciple's spiritual journey. Having intimately understood each disciple's inner state, the Guru may advise certain disciples to remain inwardly focused and not wander off in search of new teachings or teachers. On the other hand, the seasoned sadhaks, or the sadhaks who have matured in their devotion and are deeply anchored in their spiritual discipline, remain unwavering no matter what opportunities or influences come their way. Whether they attend another saint's satsang or visit a holy place, their faith in their path and Guru remains steadfast. They have been permitted to roam free like a lion in this world of Maya, as Swamiji puts it. Such sadhaks always find their way back to the self, and there is no danger of them falling into confusion or doubt. Swamiji encourages us to ask ourselves a question and answer it honestly. Which category do I as a sadhak fall into? And with a smile he quips, if you belong to the former category of the Kacha Sadhak, you might as well sit in a cave, roll a boulder over the entrance and continue your practice in solitude. But if you are the latter, a Pakka Sadhak, well then off you go, fly free, explore, learn and grow through your experiences. Hari Om.
Hari Om. We invite you to deepen your spiritual exploration with our newly launched ebook, Dive into the Unknown. This book offers invaluable insights by Swamiji that will guide you on your path of self-discovery and inner transformation. This book is available on all Amazon platforms across the globe. You can find the link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to explore more of these teachings in Hindi or Finnish, be sure to check out our other YouTube channels. Links to those channels are in the description below. Whether in English, Hindi or Finnish, the wisdom remains the same, timeless, universal and deeply enriching. Thank you for watching and do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Hari Om.